If your kitchen faucet moves even a little when you touch it, you need to fix it today. Because that small wobble, it turns into leaks, loose pipes, and expensive repairs fast. But here's the good news. You can make your faucet rock solid in less than 5 minutes. No plumber, no special skills. Let me show you how. Hey guys, welcome back. If you love quick DIY fixes that actually save money, you're in the right place. Today we're fixing one of the most annoying kitchen problems, a loose faucet. So here's what's really happening. Under your sink, your faucet is held down by mounting nuts. Over time, those nuts loosen from daily use. Every time you turn the handle, every time you move the spout, it slowly gets worse. Here's all you need. A Basin wrench, best option, or a pliers/adjustable wrench, a flashlight, and a little patience. Step 1. Clear everything out under your sink. Don't skip this. More space equals faster job. You don't need to. Turn off the water for this fix since we're only tightening, not. Step 2. Get underneath and look up. You'll see the faucet pipes coming down, and right there, a nut holding everything tight to the sink. That's your target. Step 3. Tighten it. Use your wrench and turn the nut clockwise. Do it slowly. Check the faucet from above as you go so it stays straight. Important, don't over-tighten. Too much force can damage the sink or the faucet base. Just make it snug and stable. Now test it. Go back up, grab the faucet, and move it. If it doesn't budge, you just fixed it. Now here's a pro tip most people miss. If your sink is thin metal, the faucet can loosen again later. To stop that permanently, add a support plate or a small layer of plumber's putty under the base. That extra grip makes a huge difference. Bonus check while you're down there. Look at your water lines and valves. Any leaks? Rust? Drips? Fixing those early can save you a big headache later. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you turn a loose, annoying faucet into a solid, professional fix. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this. And tell me in the comments, what should I fix next? See you in the next one.